Hello students, let's continue the story today. That day you were reading the story where the narrator of the story was actually narrating you about the bed. The narrator was actually telling you that he had an army coat. And what does the army coat mean? Army coat here means to say his coat was a folding coat. Army coat means to say that folding coat. One of those affairs which are made wide enough to sleep on comfortably only by putting up flat with middle section the tunic. Actually, you read this paragraph that day when the narrator was describing only on some certain way you can sleep on this cot, and when the sides are up, it is perilous to roll too far toward the edge, for then the cot is likely to tip completely over. And if sleeping on these cots, if you come to the one edge of the cot, if you have come very extreme on the extreme edge, one of the extreme edge, it is very likely that the cot might completely turn over. Look at here, to tip completely over means it will turn over if the bed is quite one-sided on the cot. If you are not in the balanced, if you are not sleeping just in the midway of the cot, if you are slightly this way and that way on the cot, then the chances of the cot to just completely turn over is very high. So that is what exactly happened on that night about 2 o'clock, when his dad, while sleeping on the cot, was actually comes to one side of the cot, and that is why the cot actually turned completely over. And it was actually my mother, it means narrator's mother, who in recalling the scene later first referred to it as the night the bed fell on your father. Actually, the mother of the narrator referred this incident. How did she refer this? She referred it as the night the bed fell on your father. It means on the narrator's father. But actually, did it fall on narrator's father? Yeah, on the narrator actually fell from it. Actually, it actually fell on the narrator's father. As you saw, this bed, if you would come एक ही छोड़ पे अगर आप बहुत ज़्यादा किनारे पे आ जाते, if you come to the edge of one side, then the bed will completely turn over. And that's what actually happened on that night when the father, on sleeping, it just came to the one of the edge extremely, and then the bed actually fell over him. Always a deep sleeper, slow to arouse, I had lied to Briggs. I was at first unconscious of what had happened when the iron cut rolled me onto the floor and toppled over on me. It felt me still warmly bundled up and unhurt, for the bed rested above me like a canopy. Hence, I did not wake up, only reached the edge of consciousness and went back. But actually, what the narrator had done here, he is actually lied to his cousin brother, who had the habit of being interrupted after an interval of every hour at nights, because he feel that he would stop breathing if he is not awakened every hour at the interval of every hour at night. So actually he said that it was not his father on whom the bed actually fell. It is himself on the bed actually fell on that night. And what actually he explained to him, we will see further